klingelte, ich saß in der Türkabine.
Andres, should we take lunch?
Please welcome Mr. Hubertus Troska, member of the Board of Management of Mercedes-Benz Group AG, responsible for Greater China.
女士们、先生们、亲爱的媒体朋友们，大家上午好。Ladies and gentlemen, since its birth in 1979, the G-Class has long embodied the desire for iconic style, freedom, and adventure. As we say, the G-Class is truly stronger than time, because the G is not only about timeless design and the off-road legend that endured for 45 years. And here we have the all-new Mercedes-Benz G500 and Mercedes AMG G63. Our G-Wagon represents top-end luxury as much as it does the great outdoors. Since 1979, over 500,000 G-Classes have been built, and as many as 80% of them are still on the road. Over the last 2 decades, our G-Class won more than 50,000 customers in China, its second largest market in the world. Now, our G-Class is shifting gears into the desirable future, electrified, digitalized, and progressive. Through their evolution, the G-Wagons will continue to support their owners in conquering many missions impossible. And we can assure you, the legend will continue in the electric era. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the first ever and only EV in the luxury off-road segment, the all-new electric G. 谢谢。
Please welcome Mr. Markus Schäfer, member of the Board of Management of Mercedes-Benz Group AG, Chief Technology Officer, Development and Procurement.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen, Ni hao. The all-new G580 with EQ technology, also known as the electric G-Class, doing what the G-Class does best and more besides. It's an exciting new era for our off-road pioneer, and it's electric. As you can see, this is a true Geländewagen. It's the perfect fusion of tradition and progress. The G580 with EQ technology will be introduced to the markets in the second half of 2024. It is ready to order in main European markets as of tomorrow. And our Chinese customers are of course welcome to talk to our dealer partners. We will continue to take all the necessary steps to go all electric. The electric G will play a key role in the G family, and it's a fantastic new opportunity for customers. At the same time, we will continue to deliver even more choice for customers around the world and deliver even more benefits of innovation in electric drive and digital technology. And you can be sure that we will keep that unique DNA that is stronger than time. Thank you. 谢谢.
The new electric G-Class is absolutely an authentic G-Class, and this was the clear goal of our development activities. And there were so many details, and there are so many details of a G-Class that made the G-Class so successful in 45 years. So we are basically just changing the drivetrain. Well, the whole drivetrain of the electric G-Class is very, very special, and it's different compared to other electric vehicles of Mercedes-Benz. The electric G-Class has 4 different motors. So close to each wheel there's an electric motor, and you can control them individually, every single one, by software. So ultimately you can produce driving conditions that a combustion G-Class cannot offer, like the G-turn, a 360-degree spin, like the G-steering, cornering around tight corners, crawling. And these are functions that no combustion G-Class can do.
Ich höre nichts dagegen, um Gottes Willen. Tasche war da. Das war gestern bei den... Ich habe noch eine Antwort.
Please welcome Mr. Fred Doan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chairman Xu, Chairman Wang, welcome to Mercedes-Benz in Beijing, where worlds of style meet. It is majestic, intelligent, agile, exquisite, spacious. Welcome to Mercedes-Benz Auto China 2024. Mercedes AMG is committed to transferring raceback technology to road. The all-new Mercedes AMG GT 63 SE performance beside me is the best proof of that. Some might think hybrid cars are all about saving energy. No, not so with AMG hybrids. We live for performance. A performance car, first and foremost, must be fast. The GT 63 SE performance features a performance hybrid system inspired by the Mercedes AMG passionate F1 team. It accelerates with a force of almost 1G, achieving a 1-to-100 sprint in just 2.8 seconds. It makes it fastest AMG series model and new ICE member of a 2-second club.
Please welcome Mr. Markus Schäfer.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Ni hao. The next big step will come with our new all-electric vehicle family based on our Mercedes-Benz modular architecture, MMA for short. The first model will be the CLA, which is derived from the learnings of our Vision EQXX technology program. If you look inside the car, you will see illuminated high-performance water-cooled chip. It represents our in-house Mercedes-Benz operating system, MB.OS, which has 4 domains: infotainment, driving and charging, body and comfort, and automated driving. Our R&D team here in China has been involved in development since the start. One example will be our point-to-point urban navigation feature. The system can handle challenging urban driving scenarios and supports a fast city rollout to its mapless nature. Our Mercedes-Benz R&D center in Shanghai is already working very hard on this. We just opened an additional building at this facility only a week ago. Here we have, great addition. So here we have experts in software engineering, artificial intelligence, cloud technologies, and data analytics. In fact, R&D China is now our most comprehensive network outside of Germany. Thank you.
Please welcome Mr. Hubertus Troska.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm super excited to introduce to you the most capable, the most iconic electric off-roader today, the Mercedes-Benz G580 with EQ technology. As the first ever EV in its segment, the G-Wagon again writes history by kicking off the electric era of luxury off-roaders. As you can see, the new electric G is a G-Class through and through. Moreover, it's the perfect fusion of tradition and progress. With our China speed and Mercedes-Benz standards, we'll continue to deliver on our promise and demonstrate what makes a Mercedes a Mercedes. I welcome you to find the exciting proof points at our Mercedes booth today. Thank you and enjoy Auto China. 谢谢大家。
有请 Mr. Hubertus Troska, Mr. Markus Schäfer.
So the introduction and world premiere of the GT63 SE performance was one of the main highlights of the auto show here in China, and right at the weekend of Formula One in Shanghai. So there's a close connection between Formula One technology, the powertrain and the electric side of a drive, and the GT. Well, it was just a carryover. So we having the same technology in the GT as we have in the Formula One car. A great performing engine, and at the same time an electric motor, an electric axle, which is giving additional power. Ultimately, this car is a peak-powered vehicle in the total lineup of Mercedes-Benz, delivering 816 horsepower with a phenomenal torque and driving performance. So, the utmost sports car.